Well, Novak is a much better player. He was nervous, I think, before he was serving, which is why he bounced the ball so many times. His second serve wasn't that great. His backhand has always been great. His movement has always been great. His forehand wasn't as good either. He couldn't do as many things with the forehand. He could only hit topspin. Now he can do everything with the forehand. His volleys are very good today, and they were not that good. But I think the biggest improvement for me with Novak is the attitude. The attitude is way better, because in the beginning, if you remember, there was always a little bit of he's complaining a little bit. The body language was a little negative, and then so over the years, it's taken him 8 years to turn that around. And I mean, now he's one of the best in terms of body language, right? I think that you play tennis for different reasons. You know, I think that you can play tennis as a business, run it as a business, have a lot of people around you, so that you are always showing up and you're 100% physically. I don't think that just because you're 100% physically, it's necessarily good for your mind to have too many people around you, because it gets tiring. But it's different. We play tennis because it was part of it, because it's just our life, you know. It's just something I love to do. And then, I could turn pro. I can make some money. I can turn pro. Whereas these guys, they've been trying to be professional tennis players since they were 10 years old. You know, the tennis academies and whatever. So I think that today's players are used to having somebody around, a coach from a very young age, somebody trying to, show them the right path. And tennis has become, to them, there's a goal to tennis for them. Whereas for me, for John McEnroe, when we started playing tennis, there was no goal. The goal was just to play tennis.